Hiya! Welcome back to our channel. We are the Farm Almonte. We are here in Midtown Milk House.
So, hi guys, nandito kami sa Midtown Milk Center, or I don't know how they call it, Midtown Milk House. And we're gonna show you how to buy the fresh milk, pasteurized milk from the farm. Yeah, so very fresh. Midtown Milk House, so where you can get fresh milk from the fridge, with very fresh pasteurized milk. So we're gonna show you how to do it, and there are some flavors, syrups, to choose from. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. We don't have coins. How to use? So this is how you will do it by yourself. No one will assist you, but it's so easy. Okay, press, and then choose the number 11, and then pay. The bottle is 2 pounds, so that's the bottle. It will, but it's a vending machine. They will pick up the bottle for you. That's it. Push it and get the bottle. Now you're ready to get the milk. So for the milk, so it also shows you how to use it, but put it in the middle. And then choose salt. Pay for that's a liter. And then it will show up like a start. Yeah, that's it. Start, and that's it. Yay! You can get another one. Okay. Yay! And that's it. It will says finished. Remove the bottle. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Daddy, where's your lid? Yeah, and then there's the syrup here. So now you need to put your syrup, the flavored syrup, different flavor. You choose fruit salad.
There is an honesty box here. You need to pay 50p for 2 shots of syrup.
Shake it. Magic. Anything else?
Yeah, it's just
And
like
that's
that.
it. Okay.
This is how to use the vending machine. There are 2 options, one using card or using coins. We're going to show you how to use it using card. First, press the yellow button. Then make selection number ID. We want the bottle for the milk, so we will enter number 11. Then pay or tap the card to the card reader. Then wait for the bottle to drop at the bottom. Whoa, it's really cool. Look how it works. Now you can collect the bottle. Let's go to the second vending machine for the milk. Here's how to use it. Open the door and insert the bottle under the nozzle and close the door. Again, we're going to show you how to pay using card. Do not press the yellow button. It shows on the screen that the milk is 1 pound per liter, so the bottle is 1 liter. Now pay or touch your card on the card reader. Wait for the payment to go through. Then press the blue start button on the screen. Okay, Yahoo! It's now filling the bottle. You don't need to press anything, it will stop by itself. And that's it. Now let's choose our syrup. They have chocolate, birthday cake, banoffee, candy floss, vanilla, Oreo, and more.
Want to try? You want to try, Tony?
It's pasteurized, so you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
Because I was worried about it. It's clean.
Let's see. What's the taste of that one? Malamig yan galing sa freeze. Tastes good? What flavor do you want? You want to try another one? Yeah, which one?
So, this is how I know.
You can borrow? Ginawa niyang bookstore. Cool, dude.
The price is not really bad. For £1, you have a liter of fresh milk.
Matabang lang yun.
Okay, you can stop now. That's tiny.
There are other products in this vending machine too. They have cheese, sausages, and cookies. We're going to try the cookies.
It's cleaning the thing and now it's ready to use.
Using this vending machine is easy. It's the same like other vending machines.
So yeah, we all try this milk. Ano nga pangalan niya? Midtown Milk House. So we're here in Milltown,
Why do you have
Milltown,
Midtown Milk House. So we tried 3 flavors here. So yeah, what's yours? Yours is cotton candy,
Salted caramel.
salted caramel,
I should have got a nice
Fruit
colour.
salad.
fruit salad. So mine is all of that. I'm gonna share with Daddy anyway. So we had fun here. So that's a syrup, different types of syrup. I'll show you. Okay, are the type of syrup, chocolate, birthday cake. Yeah. And just need two and back below. It's up to 2 shots per liter. Okay, so it's up to you. You okay, Daddy? So I'll show you the thing. It's here. The milk house Midtown Milk House. There's no one here, so it's so okay. Where are you guys going? Huh? So it's in Cumbria actually. We have Cumbria here. So that's Midtown Farm.
They were all like ombres, I think.
Here. So farm fresh. So the bottle is £2. So the milk is £1.50. So $3.50 in total. And you can come back here with maybe with your the same bottle and just get the milk. We're having good time here in Cumbria. I'm gonna try this one. This is the fruit salad flavor.
Guys, how come ours has no colour? I think blue is very bright. No, they all have pink.
Yummy. So
She said try again
Not
and look, she's finished the bottle.
oh, I think I'm gonna finish before we leave. You know, it's like natunaw na halo-halo. It's good, yep. Let's go and go back again. It's finished now. That's it. Hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to visit Midtown Milk House in Cumbria. Thank you for watching. Until our next video. Bye.